Okay, welcome back. My name is Remain Chris Njoku. In this video, we want to look at a cell function and then the relationship with equivalent formula. There are cell functions that does the same thing with cell operators. You can do the average analysis with your cell operators. You can as well do the same thing using the average function. Let's assume this row, this column, beg your pardon, by Ella. There are so many details of sales on it from the first day to the last day. Assuming you want to select some days and add up, you can do that using the cell function. You can also do that using a cell operator. So today, what we're looking at now is a cell function and a cell operators. Okay, let's try to do the average analysis of this column by Ella. We say equals average. This is using the cell function, and then we drag down and then we press our enter key. This is the average using the cell function here. Equals average F3 to F13. That is the average formula. Very clear on our formula bar here. Now let's try to use a cell operator to do the average. In mathematics generally, average is the total of individual data divided by the number of data series. That is to say, on this very line we have data from F3 to F18. So we're going to add it up individually, and then we'll count the number of data on each on the column. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 data points on this column. So what we do now is we add individually. By doing, we will be able to have a real figure, and then we divide it by the number of data. So we start by saying equals. The very first data here now is in F3. So plus 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 plus. Sure you're following me along. I want to make sure every data here is covered. So you can see from F3 to F18 is covered. Now, there's a common mistake people make, and then I have to bring it up for us to ensure that we don't make it. When you add up like this and you're about using two operators, you must be mindful of open and close brackets in order not to invalidate your operation. So to do that, you have to cover your work here. Yes, so you have ensured that your addition is intact. So the next thing we do is to divide by the number of the series. We counted the series to be 16, and so our division is forward slash, and we have 16 as the number of data points. Now our work is ready. The next thing we do is to press the enter key. As you can see, we have the same result as using the average. Look at the formula bar. Look at the formula bar to see what we have written from F13 to F18 and divided by 16. This is just how smooth it is. This is how smooth it is. What we have just done now, we have done average analysis using Excel function and also using Excel operator. Let me name it properly here. Average function. And then this we use cell operators to get the same result. So this is just how simple and smooth it is. In the next video, I'm going to be looking at another area where Excel function and Excel operators can do the same thing.